New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2017 Ford Mustang Roush P-51. This is a very special Mustang here in front of us, as it was built to commemorate not only the P-51 Mustang fighter plane, but also Jack Roush's affinity for performance vehicles and performance influential aircraft. Only 51 of these were built, hence derived from the name P-51 Mustang. The Roush P-51 is essentially a Mustang GT featuring an upgraded Phase 2 2.3-liter TVS Supercharger mounted on top of the 5-liter V8, which means power output increases to 727 horsepower with these. An active quad-tip exhaust can be found around back with an exhaust control module in the center console of this one. Hand-painted P51 badging is present on the front fenders as well as the front grille. Lightweight Roush TrakPak Wheels by Weld are present at all four corners. The hood features an olive drab insert with the hood scoop and heat extractors as well, allowing that supercharger and engine compartment to breathe a little bit better. Carbon fiber splitter is up front with P51 stanchions, and a rear Decklid carbon fiber spoiler can be found around back. Inside, we have a bomber jacket brown leather interior, very nice color contrast for these P51s. All of them were presented with this interior and silver ingot metallic exterior paint. This is one of only 12 built with the 6-speed automatic transmission, and this one has right around 9,000 miles on the odometer. Very well preserved. We see the Roush Serialized Medallion there on the passenger side of the dashboard. A few other badges and plaques can be found in the engine bay for this one. Also present is Coil-over TrakPak suspension for these cars, allowing it to handle a little bit better. And this one was also accompanied by its original books, car cover, floor mats, 2 keys, and a special P51 challenge coin set. Great example here, and as always, we'll get a startup clip of this one and look underneath the hood at the engine bay.